Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn build a CLI app in the Node.js using the Inquirer and the Commander. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we are going to make a directory. Let's go to the terminal, mkdir with this. Okay, let's go to that CLI app. Now here we are going to initialize the project with npm init-y. Okay, so this is done. Now we have to install the respective packages. Okay, so let's install this. So this is done. Moving to the next step, we have to create these files, that's index, and in the commands folder add task.js. Okay, so let's open that code with the help of code. Okay, so it is open the code base. Right now I'm going to create those files, that is index.js. So here I'm going to create a new file, that is not node modules. Here I'm going to add the index.js file, then commands folder. Okay, that should be on the folder. Okay, and here I'm going to add a new file, that is add task.js. Okay, so this is added right in the index.js file. So this is the index.js file code. I'm going to just add it. Okay, let me word wrap this. Okay, fine. So here we have the file is there. So first command allows the script to be run directly from the terminal. So that's the reason I'm using here. Okay. Now import the commander for the CLI command handling. Okay. Now import the add task function. So we have what are the tasks that we have to add in this one. We have to import that one. Create a new CLI command program with the help of the new command. Set up the CLI app name, description and the version. So this is for that one. CLI task name is task CLI, description a simple task manager. Okay, now define the add command that will trigger the interactive prompt. So when we go with the add, so description would be add a new task and the action will go with the add task. Okay, call the function to add the task. So let's create the commands add task over here. Okay, so these are the tasks that we have to perform. Okay, like simply when we do any kind of, you can say, when we have like magento, there is a terminal. Okay, so all the steps are following, then completed, then implemented, right? So this is like that one, the CLI. Okay, so these are the tasks. So first task, define a set of questions to ask the user, like whenever we want to reset the password from the terminal in the Linux, asking for the confirm password, new password on the user. This is like that way. Okay, so input that is for the text input, and then there are task title, so validate that the title cannot be empty with the help of this. Okay, now after that, multiple choice list priority, select the priority low, medium and the high options to choose, and then confirm yes no question, and is that task already done? So default value is no. If you want to make it done, to make it done. Okay, after this, show the questions to the answer, questions to the user and wait for the answers. So prompt for that one, print the answers as a confirmation that the task added successfully. Okay, if something goes wrong, it will handle the error, and then we have to export that function to be used in index.js. That's it. Okay, let's go to the packet.json and add this command, that is bin. Okay, so this is a bin command, right? So here we go with the packet.json file, and here I'm going to add the script. No, this is not script one. Okay, bin. Okay, after this we have to make it executable like this, chmod. Okay, so let's add this. After that we have to link so that I can use it globally. Okay, after that I'm going to just add task CLI add. Okay, because if I go over here, it is index.js and the bin command is task CLI, and if I go to the index, it says that command is add. So how to run this task CLI add? If I go and just run over there task CLI add, It says that the allows the script to be run directly from the terminal, no such file directory. User bin use vs to pass the options shebang lines. Okay, let me check this one, what exactly the issue is coming over here. So basically what it says that the to pass the option in the shebang lines. Okay, so I think in the index.js file, I think we should, because it's commented right now. Okay, so let's move it to the down and let's save it and let's see. Okay, inquire prompt is not a function. Okay, so we have to check that the inquire prompt is not a function in the inquirer, or let's have a look of that one. Let me just check this documentation. There is a issue in the version, so I have updated the version. Okay, so here enter the task title. So let me go with this. So this is like enter the task title like buy groceries. Okay, so here I'm going to add it, buy grocery. This is my task. Okay, would be low, medium, high. It says medium, high. Okay, is it already done? I put no. Okay, so the task added, task detail is there. Okay, so this is how you can make this CLI using the commander and the inquirer. Okay, so whenever you have a requirement like creating a CLI app, you can use this one. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.